Okay, y'all. Word on the street is Key Glock's release party. He had a little party in Houston. It got hit up, y'all. And we're about to talk about it. Hello and welcome to my channel. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like this video. And thank you all so much for watching. Thank you. To my day ones, twos, threes, and fours, thank you so very much. I appreciate you all and welcome. This video is for entertainment and educational purposes only, so everything is alleged, some is not, and the fair accuse is in my description box, y'all. So let's get to it, y'all. Let's get to it. So word on the street is, y'all, boy, oh boy. Key Glock could have lost his life last night at a club in Houston. Now they say he was throwing some type of release party for some new album that he got coming out. And out of all the places in the world, he decided to have it in Houston, y'all. Which don't make a lot of sense to me. If people got to check in Houston, and if you check in, you still can get checked out, it doesn't make sense. If there are random people just getting robbed and taken out in Houston just for just showing up to Houston, why in the world would you want to throw a release party there, y'all? He from Memphis. Why not do it in Memphis? Why do it in a place where everybody that's anybody is getting their lives taken right now? In Houston, I don't understand it. It's the same thing people saying about Boosie. Why would you go to Houston when you just got, well, you think you didn't got away with this whole, Duke the Jeweler stuff, and then now you back in Houston again, and then look what just happened with Boosie in a club. Every time somebody goes to clubs in Houston, it's a slim chance that you might not make it up out of there. Well, it's a huge chance. You might not make it out. Now, word on the street is there is not a lot of information coming out about this, but they are saying that 3 people was hit up in the club. When, pow, ringed out, 3 people got hit, y'all. And they said that Key Glock was like getting ready to walk out the place at the time that it started, pow, started ringing out. Y'all, this is some crazy stuff. I don't understand. Why in the world is Key Glock in Houston? I wouldn't even go to Houston to perform. I wouldn't go there to shop. I wouldn't go there for vacation. I wouldn't go to Houston for anything, y'all. Until Houston get it together, y'all. Because Houston is letting criminals run the place. Okay, y'all? They're letting them run it. Look what just happened to All-Star Jr. He come now. Don't ask me why. Because it makes no sense. You beefing with somebody that's messing with your baby mama. You know that Mob Ties now runs Houston. Why would you go to Houston? Huh? Just go to a restaurant or whatever you there for. Even if you got family members there, let them come visit you. Especially if you're beefing with people that's running Houston. Running Houston Police Department, running the feds. That's what they say, y'all. I don't know. But they said that they tying in with the feds. That's why they can take people out, do whatever it is that they want to do, and nothing gets done. Now we have, y'all, All-Star in there about to fight for his life again. Just because he fought for his life. In a Houston restaurant that he shouldn't have been there in the first place. Yes, I know people should be able to go wherever it is they want to. But when you beefing with somebody, why is you on their turf in the first place? When you know that there's corruption going on and people are getting away with stuff, why in the world would you go there in the first place? It just don't make no sense. Now, here we go with Key Glock now. What if he would have got taken out by one of those shells flying through the air? What if he would have lost his life? Then everybody would have been talking about today, Key Glock gone. He was in Houston. Another one taken out in Houston. People got to have some sense, y'all. And it seems like they don't have any. It don't make sense. But this is the place. What is wrong with my dogs? Area 20. Hold up, y'all. Let me go see what's wrong with my baby. What is wrong? I'm recording. Shut up. Torn. Y'all better stop playing with me. Sorry, y'all. But anyway, this is the place, y'all. This is the place. Area 29. Where it went down at Word on the Street. And they say that, y'all, Key Glock was walking out. And pa-pow. Now, what they are saying is, there was an argument taking place as Key Glock was walking out of the place. But it wasn't with him. It was some other people in the corner over there arguing. And that's when pow ring out. But I'm going to say this, y'all. At the time that you about to leave or whatever, did this ring out, it just seems like I just don't believe in coincidences anymore. I just feel like people do stuff because they want to do stuff. He ain't learned nothing from Takeoff being in Houston. He ain't learned nothing from Duke the Jeweler, all of these other people that have been in Houston and got taken out. He ain't learned nothing from none of that stuff. And even if you do have security, y'all, security can get papowed too. Especially when you in big crowds like this. And the same thing with Boosie. Boosie should have his tail at home with them kids. That's where Boosie should be at. And when his, whoever his manager is, whatever, line up a show, go do your show, and then go home. Why is Boosie hosting clubs, hanging out like he, one of everybody else? Instead of being professional about it and being smart about it. Go do your show, go home. The crowd is not where they can get to you at. They can't lie and say you done did something to them. Or I don't know if they lying or not. I wasn't there. But this is what, from the footage, it looked like people were in between Boosie. But what if there wasn't no footage? It would have been his word against this guy's and the witness. And it wouldn't have been nothing that Boosie could say. But pay up. Why keep putting yourself in situations over and over and over again when you know that there's bad outcomes from being in Houston? Y'all, people got to wake up. It just doesn't even make sense. It don't make no sense. You're hanging out in a place that's known for a lot of mess and a lot of just out of the blue people getting taken out for no reason. Takeoff wasn't even arguing with any affiliates. He wasn't even gambling. But he was the one that they wanted. They didn't want the other one. They didn't want Quavo. It was like it was a whole setup. And then they released a video showing how he was going to get taken out, basically. And showing why he was going to take it out. He was going to get taken out. Y'all, it don't make no sense. And nobody's talking about that video when it comes to Takeoff. Why? If you did a video earlier in the day and then later on that evening he passes away that way, I wonder is it going to come up in court, y'all. But anyway, y'all let me know what y'all think about, Key Glock doing something dumb, being in Houston where he shouldn't be at. It ain't that serious to be in the in crowd. It's just not, y'all. And Key Glock, he got a lot of money now since Dolph passed. He done made a lot of money since Dolph passed. There's no reason in the world that he's hanging out in clubs or whatever in Houston. Go do your performances, whatever you're going to do. Go home to your families. All of this hanging and kicking it in the crowd and this and that, it ain't worth it, y'all. It's not worth it. But anyway, y'all let me know what y'all think in the comment section. Please like, share, subscribe if you like the video. And thanks for watching, y'all. Peace.